Okay, next how to use Filezilla to upload files. Okay, so Filezilla does not come standard with Windows operating system. I don't know if it comes, it probably doesn't come standard with Linux or Unix operating system either. So it's something that you have to go to their website and download their software. After you download their software, then you can go to the file and open it. Okay, so here's what Filezilla software application looks like. And now remember that we enter, when we're using Filezilla, it'll ask for the hostname, username, and password. These are the hostname, username, and password. The username and password are the username and password that go along with your domain name. These are not the username and password that go along with your GoDaddy account, okay?
So in the host text box for Filezilla, you can type in either your domain name or the IP address.
It recognizes both as being your host name, your host address. When you type in your username, you'll type in the username that goes along with your domain name, and then the password you'll type in is a password that goes along with your domain name as well, and then the port that you type in is 21. Okay, so I'm going to type in 21 and then type in survey.org, and I'm going to type in the username and password now. Okay, so I went ahead and typed in the username and password, Core21, logged in. So I'm going to show you how to add a file to your file directory. On the left-hand side, it'll show you the path to files on your local computer. On the right-hand side, it'll show you all the files that are located on the server. You have a little more flexibility with this FTP client than the GoDaddy FTP client. I'll show you how to delete. You can just right-click and then delete. This is the file that we just uploaded. We're going to upload it again. Yes. So that was simple. Didn't have to click any extra buttons. It was fairly obvious. Now we're going to go to My Documents. And then we're going to go to that same file. You go down to the window below, and you'll see a listing of all the contents within this directory. Here's our index.html file. All we have to do is click, drag. It's very straightforward, and there it is. We just re-uploaded our index.html file. And so if we go to the website again, using our Internet Explorer, once again we are able to see our index.html file. When you have this index.html, you can also just type in, if you have an index file in your base directory, this directory right here, then this index.html is the same as, or will give you the same results as just typing in www.secretresume.org. The index file is considered your home page file when it's located in your base directory. So without having to type the extra index.html file name, it makes the address look a little bit cleaner. And then of course if we delete the file again, delete, and then we go back to that same website and try to refresh, it no longer finds that page. So you can actually see that we are doing something when we're uploading and downloading files. We are actually affecting what is and is not viewable through an internet browser. Okay, so that was pretty simple. Filezilla is one of the most popular to use. Next thing we'll go over is how to use Visual Studio's FTP client in order to publish and upload a website or website files onto your server.